And yeah, then also, I noticed in the comments there's already a PR for the super.key update to the widget template.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that was fast. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. But keep paying attention. Yes. You're gonna miss good stuff. So the next thing, I saw Boolean up here, so I'm pretty sure if we want to have, uses state management, this would be a Boolean.
Yep.
And maybe we say determines whether this brick generates state management and does this feature requiring state management classes. All right, I think we're already
looks great.
Yeah, we're moving along here. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Actually, I'll comment it out. You may refer to it. Now, of course, if anyone is following along from total scratch at home, they're probably wondering where do we start to specify these things?
Yep. Yeah, and what are those curly brackets that Craig has?
Yes. It's foreshadowed with. Yep. And that all goes in this underscore, the Dunder brick directory, right?
Yep. Yeah, so that you can kind of think of that magical directory as just the output of what will get generated when someone runs Mason make new feature in this case. So everything that's inside that folder, whether it's one file or many files or directories with more files in them, everything in there will be generated. And those curly brackets are mustache templating syntax because Mason is using the mustache template package right now from pub.dev to do some of the replacing of variables and conditionals and that type of thing. So it's a pretty lightweight templating syntax, but you can do many things with it. It's still pretty powerful. Yeah, I think that we can start by maybe do we want to just keep the hello.md and make sure that everything's wired up and output some of our values, or do you want to dive right in?
I think that's a good idea. Yeah, let's say hello feature name, and this is a great idea. And now we're in our root here, so we need to let's review brick.yaml. Mason.yaml. And there's no new feature yet. So how do I add it?
Yeah, so you can from the command line or manually do it. From the command line, it would be Mason add the name of the brick, so new underscore feature, and then I think it's dash path. Yeah, let's use the dash path.
That's the brick.
Yep. And then brick slash whatever. Yeah. Yep. And this should just install and update the mason.yaml. So now we have 3. So if you run mason ls, we should now see we do have new feature in there. Sweet.
There she goes. Okay.
One other thing that's worth maybe mentioning is you can also remove. So if you maybe don't want hello or you don't want widget, you can do mason remove and then just the name of the brick. I think full remove. We can add an alias. It's good call. Yeah. And
there should be a full alias for hello. For Mason remove hello, that is just Mason goodbye.
That's another good idea.
It's a terrible idea.
Mason hello and Mason goodbye. Yeah.
I'm saying Mason goodbye equals Mason remove hello.
Hello. Yeah.
But that's unnecessary. Okay, so we got rid of it and Mason ls, and we just now have new feature. All right, so it's time to use new feature. Mason make new feature.
Truth. Yep.
All right, what is the name of this feature?
Hey.
Well, it is.
Okay.
Hey. This feature requires state management. Ooh, nice. I don't think it does.
All right. This is good that we're seeing this. So, so when